Come and see this gorgeous home. Everything you've been looking for is here. This ranch offers over 1,700 square feet of living area. The space includes a great room, kitchen with ample custom cabinetry, a built-in oven, cooktop and Corian countertops, a convenient breakfast bar, tile backsplash, and a walk-in pantry. The large laundry room is joined with a half bath. The dining area is ready for hosted dinners and even leads to a covered patio, perfect for grilling all year round. A very nice heated sunroom with a patio area can also be enjoyed year-round for rest and relaxation. The main bedroom is spacious and offers a window seat and a large closet. The adjoining bath features a walk-in shower. 2 additional bedrooms are sizable as well. This home features so many upgrades throughout, including newer laminate flooring and carpet. A great bonus to this home is a 3-car garage, which offers a utility sink and floor drain. Outside, you'll find a beautifully landscaped and manicured yard, as well as privacy fencing. Is this home your perfect match? Call Linda Carper for more information.